Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Yo, what's going on, everyone? Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. What's up? What's up, Philly? What's up, man? Good to see you, Philly. Bitcoin crabbing, man. We're not gonna do much today. We're pretty much just gonna chill and watch some crab action. You know, drinking some Millers. Well, I just opened my first one, so take it for what you will. But yeah, we're just gonna chill, watch some Bitcoin crab action. You know, not much has changed, man. Not much has changed. We're back in the crab action. I thought we would be done with crab action for a little bit, but here we are. Here we are. We're back in it. What's going on, Wade? What's going on? Skywalker, what's up, man? The crab action. What else we got here? I see Drew. I'm broing out with my tank top at the gym. Drew, you got to get yourself a sleeveless hoodie, man. You got to get the sleeveless hoodie, my friend. Bath water. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Just cracked my finger, guy. What's up, Steven? Sock clock. I love the sock. This guy named his name Sock Clock. Listen, man. You know I like basketball, so I really, really do appreciate the name Sock Clock. That's literally great, man. That's literally great. Oh man. All right, guys. We're gonna jump on in here, man. Let's get it. We're back in the crab range. You know. It is what it is. I guess we should probably get used to this a little bit. But that's okay. We're going to have some fun tonight and do what we normally do here. So, let's jump on in to the stream. Hold on. I gotta get this thing ready here. There we go. This thing's freaking dope. There we go.
Nope.
Nope. What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys had a fantastic day once again on this beautiful, beautiful Wednesday. Bitcoin really didn't do jack squat, but we are back in our crab market. As you guys can see, my crab helmet is on. We haven't been able to put the moon helmet on in a hot minute, so we got to stick with our crab helmet for right now. Wait, what is this? A gorilla crab? Hold on. It's not a crab. All right, we're gonna put the crab helmet back on. But guys, I mean, not really much has been going down. If you actually look at BTC on the 4-hour chart, we're still just chilling below the 50 EMA. We didn't really do much today. We kind of just kept back testing the 50 EMA and just getting rejected over again. 4 rejections off the 50 EMA in the 4-hour. And that's really all we did today. Really nothing else really happened today. I mean, that's really it. We talked about pretty much everything this morning, but I mean, I guess we'll go over some stuff today. If you guys have any topics you want me to talk about, let me know today. But today's going to be just chilling, man. Until we break out of this little range that we're in. You guys can see here on the 1-hour time frame, we could expect to move relatively soon. But that's what we're going to talk about today. You know, which direction do we think we're going to go here short term and kind of go from there. What's up? That was the best savvy yet. What's going on, Marcus? Good to see you, man. When tank? We can't put the tank top stream on until we're confident we're going back to the upside. You know what I'm saying? It's scary. When tank. He said when tank. All right, let me take that off. All right, so Bitcoin is coiling up for a move. I know we've been saying that literally 8 times. I feel like I feel like we've been saying Bitcoin's cooling up for a move forever. We got lower highs coming in, higher lows coming in. This is the hourly time frame, so take it for what you will. But we should expect at least something out of this kind of lower high, higher low structure within the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles there. Wow, Jordan can count. Oh my God, Jordan, when did you learn to count? That's awesome. I still have no idea how to count. Wow, that's awesome. It's the most entertaining thing I've seen in this market in 10 days. Jordan can count. Listen, all right. So next 7 days, we should see. Next 7 days, next 7 hours, we should see a move. Let's watch this very, very closely. You see volumes falling off a cliff. I'm hoping we can get some type of movement tonight. That's what I'm hoping for. But other than that, I mean, there's not much, right? There's not really much. So we're kind of just going sideways all day. I know we kind of talked about how Bitcoin could come back up to test these highs. It didn't get all the way up there. It got to back up to about 30,050 today. So we didn't get all the way back up to our previous high. But we did kind of recover that a little bit before coming back to the downside. So it is what it is. It is impressive. I'm proud of you. Thank you, B-Water. Thank you, man. What's going on, Wayne? Skywater, what's up, man? Wayne said happy days, happy days, happy days. Happy days, my friend. Happy days, my friend. And everyone's favorite thing. We don't have any really vector candles here on the 1 hour time frame to give us any direction on which move we're going to go. So, I mean, it's a waiting game, right? This, to me, right here, this is sort of an interesting range. I wouldn't be putting any trades in right now. I'm a little bit confused at which way Bitcoin's going to go here. Let me actually ask you guys in the chat. Which direction you guys think Bitcoin's going to break here? Do we think we're going to move up? Do we think we're going to move down? Do we think that we're just going to break to the side? Do you think we're going to go to the right? What do you guys think here? I'm interested to see. I'm going to lean down. The reason why I'm going to lean down is because we're still below the 4 hour EMA, which we've gotten rejected at once, twice, right? We've had this move up here back above it. It's kind of a fake out, move back to the downside. Every time we get closer or test it, we tend to come back all the way back down to the bottom of this range towards 28,600. So, I mean, that's kind of what we're watching right now. Down to the right. I'm choking on my own spit. Here we go. I'm choking on my own spit. Jordan, I choke on my own spit. Why? Because I just think about Chinese food all day. And sometimes I just sit there and I go, General Gao's. And then my water fills up with spit. And I go, and that's it. Yeah. And then I swallow it and that's it. Jordan, don't choke on your spit. But you guys ever choke on your spit? I probably do that at least once, probably twice a day. I choke on my spit because I'm constantly thinking about food. But that's okay. Let's move on. So, I'm going to lean that we goes down, but the most trolly thing for Bitcoin to do would kind of stay below the 50 and just kind of keep going boop, 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 until it eventually breaks to the downside, right? Overall, it's just, to me, a big descending triangle, right? We have lower highs coming in. Horizontal support. That's just kind of where we're at right now. It's kind of just where we're at. And I can't get too excited. I continue to say this, guys. I can't get too excited about BTC until at least we can break back above the 50 EMA in the 4 hour. Let's start with the 50 EMA in the 4 hour. If we get back above that, all right, cheers. We might go to the upside a little bit. But until then, boop, 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 boop. It is what it is. Beers, drink beers. I got one right here, man. Man. I choked on my spit while I was at the dentist earlier. Scared her good. That's actually so true. That's actually so true. When you go to the dentist and you sit there with your mouth open like this, and then like they keep using like minty stuff, so the spit keeps going. I know they put that little straw in there, but sometimes the straw doesn't work where it sucks it up, and you keep having the minty stuff. And then the saliva keeps forming in your mouth and just keeps going to the back of your throat. And eventually you have to say, stop, there's too much saliva in there. It happens to me every single time. Every single time that happens to me. Every single time. At least once while I'm at the dentist. But yeah, let me know if that's happened to you, man. Let me know if you choke on your spit at the dentist and you have to tell them to stop. It's never happened to me many, many times. When 10K, I feel like I don't think we're going to 10K, man. I don't think we're going to 10K. What else, guys? Overall, I mean, nothing's really changed in my opinion. I still think that we're going back down to take that wick down here. We still have this massive wick that range from like 28,700 all the way back down to 26,750 on this chart. It's a little bit lower in other charts. I still think we're going to come back down to take that wick before we ultimately have a slight retrace back up to the 50 EMA in the daily, which right now is about 35K. That's moving down every single day. So the longer it takes, the shorter that relief rally might be. But I do think we're going to have a relief rally relatively soon, but I'm looking for a move down first before we move back up, sort of in this general you can't even call it general time frame, in general direction like this, man. Let's see. Dentist for no coiners, swallow. I mean, you can swallow, yeah. You can swallow. I walked in at the wrong time. You did. 127K. My head going back places. Yeah, guys, if you can smack up the like button, it's a boring day in crypto. There's not much going on. We're kind of just chilling at 30K. Like 30K is the new 40K here. If you can smack up the new like button, not the new like button. If you can smack up the like button, that would generally very be appreciated, guys. I appreciate that. I'm gonna try to come up with the most stuff we could talk about here. I mean, it's really the same stuff. I also want to talk about the weekly a little bit today. Before we maybe jump onto some small term charts, we'll jump onto some altcoins and see what's going on with those. We got the Celtics coming at 8:30, so you know who's taking Game 5. The Celtics are taking Game 5. But guys, I'll continue to say, I do think we're relatively close to a bottom. I don't think it's in at the moment. I still think we're going to bottom at the 200 SMA, back down towards 22,000. All right, right now it's at 22,070 to be exact. I still think we're going to go back down to that range. Might not be this week, might not be this week, but relatively soon. Why is that? Let's take a look at a few things here in the macro, right? So a few things for us hodlers and accumulators here. From the top of, and this is just general stuff, so keep that in mind. We are comparing to different cycles, but at the end of the day, it's a different market, so always keep that in the back of your head when we look at this stuff. But from the top of the 2013 high to the bottom took 59 weeks, right? From the top of the 2018 high to the bottom took 52 weeks. Right now, right, and I believe, and I'll continue to say this, I believe the April top was the actual high. People have different opinions about that, but I do believe the April top was the actual peak mania phase. In the end of last year, probably shouldn't have gone as high as it did. It wasn't the same mania that existed in Q1 of 2021. Q1 of 2021 was absolutely nuts. If you guys remember Q1 of 2021, Doge was going nuts. You had everything, every alt was going nuts. But from the swing high to there to the bottom, we're looking at about 58 weeks at this current time as well. Okay, so we're at about 58 weeks, right in between the two previous markets. So doesn't mean we have to bottom right now, but I based off previous history and based off how actual close we are to the 200 SMA, where we typically bottom, I do think we're going to see that level sooner rather than later. Probably over the next month, within the next month, I do think that we'll see the 200 SMA, whether we have a bounce first or we just kind of go back to the downside. Okay. What are you guys saying here? Who bring? What's up, Vision Speaks? All right. Each time you hit the like button, Jordan Fotts. Facts. All right. And then the other thing, right? So it's not just the time from the top to the bottom. All right. If you actually look at that, if you actually look at these other things, so if we actually look at the 50-week moving average, which everyone used to like to look at, whenever Bitcoin's below the 50-week, tends to be in a bear market. How long has it taken every time Bitcoin's dropped below the 50-week to bottom? Right? How long has it actually taken? Well, if we actually look at this candle here when we drop below, it took approximately about 22 weeks from when we broke the 50-week moving average till we bottom. So 22 weeks back in 2014. How long did it take back in 2018, right? Which actually, we have very, very similar structures in this. If we actually take from the break of the 50 EMA to the bottom here, was right around 28 weeks, so a little bit longer. where are we looking at right now, right? Since we broke the 50 week, we are, let's take, where is it? This candle here. This candle here to the bottom. We are approximately about 20 weeks. So that kind of matches up with the 200, with the top to the bottom, as far as time horizons goes. And this also tells me I do believe in the next month we're going to see that test of the 200 SMA. I do believe within the next month or so. This one took 22 weeks. It took 28. We're about 20 weeks in, right? So it looks like it takes about on average 25 weeks to hit the bottom. It's give or take a month, right? Add an extra month. Add an extra month, man. Add a freaking extra month. Jordan, you said you're good at math. There's not 5 weeks in a month. There's 4. There's 4 weeks. Come on, man. I'm 35. I haven't been in school in 17 years. Okay? And even I know that there's 4 weeks in a month. Jesus. Mom, can you make me 4 meatloafs? The number 4 makes me want meatloaf. No, I don't want ketchup today. I want barbecue sauce. Yeah, well, of course, Mountain Dew. Of course. Thank you. Okay. He's not another one today, guys. He's not another one. What's going on, Clint? Good to see you, my friend. We also got Troll Clint back. I love Troll Clint. I love when Clint is in a trolly mood, man. It seems pretty great that when Clint's in a trolly mood. Let me tell you. All right, so yeah, Bitcoin's chill right now. Bitcoin is boring as hell. Every time I pull it up on my phone, it's like at 29,800, 30,000. I'm like, dude, come on, man. Give me something. All right. Besides that, JDM said Luna is booming. Let's go check out Luna real quick. I don't know if I believe you, because someone said that yesterday and Luna was not booming. So I don't know if I believe you, JDM, but I'm going to check it for you. Thank you for the super chat, man. I don't believe that I believe you, though. Let me see. Come on, man. Why you got to do him like this? Man? Hey, but that kind of... Why you gotta do him like this? Let's see. All right. Yeah. So that M formation is trying to work right now. It's trying to work. So we kind of talked about Luna. I don't even know why we're looking at this, man. It's so pointless to look at this. We moved up. We moved back down. We came back up. Recovered the same high, and let's see if we make the M formation back down. We now have a ding, ding, ding. Vector candle back down here to take for Luna. Let's see if it gets pulled back down for kind of the same structure that we normally look at, where we typically come back down and take these candles. You came back down, took this vector candle here, and moved back to the upside, created the M formation. So now we want to see if this moves back to the downside. Once again, our EMAs are all the way back up here, so we can't look at the EMAs, which doesn't make any sense. Like the 50 EMA. Oh, why? It's because that's why. Because these prices are so much higher that one number up here moves the average up so high. That's just funny, man. Like one number, you could have one number up here and that moves up the average so high that you can't even see the moving average. Like the 200 EMA is still at $32, despite the price being at 0.0001. But anyways, yeah, I mean, Luna's not really mooning, man. So I'm gonna get off that. Let's see. Nice, Andrew. That's what I'm talking about, man. You took the loss like a man. Hey, we all been there, man. We've all been there. Wes said, why start in crypto? To see Jabba and Bob. Facts. Absolute facts, man. Let's see. Michael said, I enjoy your analysis and your commentary, except when you talk about useless Luna. I think George is still DCAing it. No, come on, man. Listen, George looks really, really pissed off in his videos, man. Like, listen, I got to give George a little bit of a break, man. That guy is getting absolutely berated right now. I can see it in his eyes on his videos. He's getting absolutely berated in the chat. And I understand. He's getting. I got to take it a little easy on my guy George. Okay, a lot of the stuff. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, I guess he kind of gets it to himself. But I got to take it easy on my guy there. I got to take it easy on my guy. But if you watch his videos, you can tell he's getting absolutely berated right now. JDM said, I'm giving you these $10 donations so you touch it with a pull. I'm not touching it with any pull, man. I will not touch Luna with no pull. All right? I will not touch. Aaron said, can we get a pump song for my B-Day? Love your stream. I can get a pump song for your B-Day. Everyone say happy birthday to Aaron in the chat on this beautiful, beautiful crab day where there's not really much to talk about. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Happy birthday to me too. I forgot it's my birthday every day. It's my birthday every day. Every day. Oh God. But anyways, we talked some long-term stuff today. To me, I'll continue to say there's just so much confluence at the times. There's so much confluence at the 200 SMA. There's so much confluence at the Bitcoin log growth curve. I'm going to talk a little bit more about long-term stuff because the short-term action's not great for me, at least for any type of trades. I don't really love the short-term charts at the moment, but there's too much confluence at the log growth curve chart where you have this Fibonacci level coming in right here. And we also have the 200 SMA coming in pretty much right at the exact same level, right around the $22,000 to $23,000 range. That's what I'm looking for. Let's get it. I still looking at that level, man. I want us to go up, and I think a lot of people miss that fact. That I really want us to go up. For me, at least, I just can't see where we would go up at this current level for anything other than a little relief rally. That's just the way I'm looking at it right now. I want to go up more than anything. Trust me. I don't want to go low. Okay. I don't want to go to, well, I guess I can't say I don't want it to go to 22K. I would be okay with it going to 22K. Well, I don't want it to go to 15K. I don't want it to go to 10K. All right. I don't want any of these price predictions, but we got to wait and see, man. We got to wait and see. All right. Bitcoin's moving down a little bit here. Will it hold the 1 hour 50 EMA? Right. I'm waiting for some type of confirmation. I don't really have any confirmation here on anything at the moment. Yeah, the 15-minute just broke the 50 EMA. Right, so Bitcoin's coming back down to test support, 29,669. We still have a solid 39 minutes until the close here. But let's see if Bitcoin can hold this uptrending support and hold the 50 EMA. To me, it's not a mistake that they happen to sit right at the same level right now. Let's see if we hold it. Guys. See if we hold it. We also have the hourly stock RSI that's topped out, and we also have the 4-hour, which has more room to run to the downside. And we're still waiting on the daily to get that cross back to the downside. We got to reset this daily stocks for us to get any type of rally. Once again, I just can't see Bitcoin having a rally with the daily stocks topped out. I just can't friggin' see it, right? I can't see it. There's no volume! Bitcoin will have no volume until the daily stock RSI is reset. There is no volume on Bitcoin! Bob, go to your room. Go to your room. Turn down your volume. We don't like volume. Thank you. Now, Karen, come in. What was that? Oh, my voice cracked. My voice cracked at the end. All right, but 29,665. No volume. No volume. Let's see. GTG said, you are all smoking. Oh, God. Here we go. We got a pencil neck in the chat. GTG, I love you, man. You're always watching my stream. But what are you saying? What do you say? He said, if Bitcoin bricks drops below 24K, it will never recover because all these people you told to buy for the last 24 months will never return. Why 24K? GTG. DGG.
Rant alert.
Tell me in the chat why 24. Why? Okay, so 20. If Bitcoin drops to 24,001, if Bitcoin drops to 24,001, we'll be okay. But if it drops below 24K, we're screwed. Tell me why 24K is such an important level. Please enlighten me. Why 24K is the level where no one will come back. Please tell me. Please tell me this. Because I think everyone in the chat here would actually like Bitcoin to go a little bit lower. I think everyone wants Bitcoin to go lower at this point. We're already at 29K. What's another couple thousand among friends at this point, man?
Rant alert.
Right? Why 24K? Why 24K? Is there any reasoning, any significance to 24K? Please tell me, man. Please tell me. All right. 24 is lucky number. My voice cracked. Damn it. I'm looking for this dump right here, man. I just want Bitcoin to get out of this range, bro. This range between 28.6 and 30,006 is absolutely brutal. Absolutely brutal. It's good for traders. Like, this is an awesome trading range. For once in my life, I got moves pretty correctly for like 4 days straight. So this general range is actually been really good for trading. But for people trying to accumulate lower or people waiting for the higher, I mean, it sucks. I mean, sideways action sucks for hodlers. Drew said, "Bro, I love how people act like they know what the price is going to do. Like you would waste your time talking to us." Thank you, man. Let's see if GTG is still in the chat here. GTG, do you give me an answer, man? Keep on crabbing. GTG, I actually want an answer, man. He said nope. Okay, so it's just 24K is just a random number where people would never come back. All right. You know why I say that? Because I always see that on Twitter. It's like, if Bitcoin breaks this, it's screwed. I see that all the time on Twitter. It's like, it doesn't matter. If Bitcoin breaks this, it'll never return. Listen, Bitcoin could go to 10K and it'll return, okay? Jeez. Stuff like that cracks me up, man. Stuff like that cracks me up. It really does. It really cracks me up. All right. Let's sort of continue here. So, what else we got? Let's look at ETH. Any clues on ETH that could maybe give us a clues on Bitcoin? Not really, man. ETH is still just in this general range as well. I mean, that's correct. Where's Aaron? Where's Aaron saying Waterfly? What is he saying, man? Where's my guy Aaron in the chat? Oh, God. What did Aaron say? Aaron said, hope it continues down so I can fill my bags for the next happening. Exact, man. Exactly, my friend. The cheaper the price goes, the more sats you can stack. Right? It's not fun while it goes down, but that's the simple fact. It's a simple fact. Let's see. I'm so sure it's going to go down. Wait till then to buy because I am damn sure I'm going to go back up. I mean... I wait till then to buy. Nick said she's not a cute chick. Oh man, that's funny. All right, yeah, but ETH is really not giving us anything either. I mean, it's kind of the same general philosophy. I mean, the daily needs to get reset, man. The daily needs to get reset for me to get super excited about super excited. Every time I say that, I need to reset the daily stock RSI for me to get super excited here, right? It's not gonna have a rally from the lows with the daily stocks topped out. It's just not gonna freaking happen, right? 4-hour time frame, it's slightly bottomed out, but it could go lower. It's sort of the same scenario. You're just kind of stuck in this range, and you're waiting for Bitcoin to make its move, which I ultimately think we're going to go down first before we come up. Yeah, that's still my general thinking here. Not much has changed on Ethereum, and I can't get super excited, man. Can't get super excited. Where's my guy? What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Rover. I am super excited about the price of Ethereum right now. If we actually look at Ethereum, guys, we are forming a massive bull flag to the upside. Guys, look at this massive bull flag to the upside. We have higher highs and we have higher lows coming in here on Ethereum. You guys can see this massive bull flag that's going to bring us all the way back up to the top, guys. I am super excited right now. Super excited. If you actually take the top to the bottom, extrapolate this move back to the upside, you guys can see that we have a measure move price target all the way back up to a $3,300 Ethereum, guys. I am super excited, man. Super excited at this measure move for Ethereum. $3,300. That's my measure move. That's it, guys. That's it. I'm super excited. I gotta go shit my pants because I just shat my pants. I'm so excited. Oh, I just pissed my pants too. Okay. I'm out of here, man. I'm super excited. Bye-bye. Oh, God. All right. That looks. What are you saying? That looks like BB. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't, man. No, it doesn't. All right. Let's see. Jordan, since when Trader's Reality Indicator? Since I realized that is literally the best way to look at the charts. That's why. It's literally the best way to look at the charts. Too excited, said Miller. Nice. It's not really telling us much right now. This is kind of like a no. At the moment, this is kind of a no trade zone for me. Kind of a no trade zone for me. Clint said we've been slowly going down for the last 6 months. What's another month or two? Exactly, man. Exactly. I mean, think about this. Bitcoin had hit its high in November. That's crazy. That is, well, I guess that's what? How many months? 6. There you go. I can do my math. Yeah, so 6 months. What's another month? I think Bitcoin's got another month of just kind of grinding down. At least another month of grinding down. But I agree. I mean, at this point, you got to be, if you've been in the market since November, you got to pretty much be immune to it. Especially if you were in this market since 2021 and you went through the May dump and you went through this dump too. Right? You got to be immune to it at this point. You just got to think about it as it doesn't really shake you, right? You got to be immune to it. What are the Fib circles saying? Oh, the Fib circle. You don't want to know what the Fib circles are saying, man. But let me tell you, man. Crypto Curvy is saying that warning shots are fired right now.
Warning shots fired.
And we're going to go back lower. Stas said, get your shorts ready, Jordan. Oh, I got them ready, man. I got them ready. No, I actually don't have them ready yet, but I'm ready. I will short when I see the opportunity to. You could, it's up. I mean, you could do whatever you want to do. Based off this, if you've been shorting the 50 EMA consistently, you've been absolutely killing it. Just short the 50 EMA in the 4 hour, you've been killing it. Just put a stop loss slightly higher, and you've been absolutely killing it every single time. Every single time. Really, since it tends to go slightly higher, wick above it, but yeah, that's kind of been the strategy here. Wait till it goes slightly above the 4 hour EMA, 4 hour 50 EMA, and short. Now for some hopium. Ah, man. Some hopium right now. I mean, at the end of the day, I know it's all doom and gloom and everyone needs hopium, and guys, at the end of the day, like these are good times. These are good times. You can't get where you want to be without these times, right? Think about it that way. Like, the market's not going to go up forever. In order for you to get the entries that you want, right? In order to see that your portfolio just absolutely going nuts at some point, right? I got you, man. Hold up. In order for you, what's going on, Planty Hex? In order for you to see your portfolio go up the way you want, you need these times. The market's not just going to go like this. Okay? It's not just going to go boop, 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 forever. Okay? You need these times. And quite frankly, these are the times that are going to change your life. The times up here are not going to change your life, man. I'm sorry. I know everyone wants to, wait till the market starts going back up. The times up here are not going to change your life. You might be lucky and catch a 2x, 3x. But for most people, 2 or 3x is not going to be life-changing for them, right? In order to get what you want, which is the eventual, hypothetical 5x, 10x, 20x numbers, right? These are the times that you need. And at the end of the day, they suck while you're in them. But when you look back, they're the times that you wish you could always go back to, right? I wish I could go back to 2020. I wish I could go back here and accumulate more in hindsight. I wish I could go back to 2018 and accumulate more in hindsight. And guess what? I'm not going to make that same mistake this time. I'm not going to make that same mistake this time. I have my plan and I'm sticking to it. Like I tell you guys, you guys buy wherever you want to. I'm not going to tell you where to buy. I'm not going to tell you where to DCA. I'm not going to tell you to DCA. All right? What I'm going to tell you is have a plan and stick to it. Right? And most people's plan in crypto is to try to buy low and sell high. Have your plan and stick to it. All right? I'm telling you, just don't miss out when you have your opportunity. Okay? If your plan is to buy at 20K, stick to that plan. If your plan is to buy at 25K, stick to that plan. Right? It's really what it comes down to. If you're out of fiat, well, I don't want to stop. If you're out of fiat, you got one of two options, man. You got one of two options, quite frankly. You can either, if you think the market's going to go lower, you can sell and try to back lower. It's totally up to you. It's personally your own strategy. I'm not going to tell you what to do. But you got two options, okay? Just to keep it simple and blunt. You can either sell now and try to back buy it when lower, or you can just hold. That's really the only two options you got, man. So, it is what it is. I know a lot of people, like to make the meme, oh, I'm out of fiat. But you actually got three options. You can either sell now and try to buy back lower. You can just hold, or you can try to make more money to buy lower, right? I mean, those are really your three options to keep it blunt. You know what I'm saying? So, have a plan, stick to it, and that's really what it comes down to. At the end of the day, these are dark times while you're in it, but these are always times that you could wish you'd go back to, right, in the future. So just to keep it really, really simple and really, really blunt, quite frankly, man. Let's see. What's going on, Skillful? Drum up more money and stop. Yeah, I guess. All right, let's continue. So, Wes said, let's dump fast 25K so it's done and we can start. That's what I'm saying, man. I think that's what we all want. Let's do a poll real quick. Let's do a poll. Do you want, let's see. Do you want Bitcoin to go lower? Or I say, do you want Bitcoin to just dump? let me just word it that way. If the answer is no, you don't feel like you need to press yes. But do you want Bitcoin to just dump? Let me know in the chat. I mean, this is a very broad question. But I don't care what the dump means. Like it could be in $1,000. Do you want Bitcoin to just dump? Let me know in the chat. Crypto Flea, what's going on, man? Thanks for coming to gold member, actually, like an Austin Powers gold member. Good to have you in here, man. To retest, I'd love to take that wick. Miller said, go anywhere but sideways. Dang, no one want to trade. That's true, man. I mean, the sideways action got me trading, and I said I never would. So that's how boring the market is right now, right? If you got me trading and looking at short-term time frames, that's how you know the market's boring. Let me tell you. Stas said, get your shorts ready. They will be ready when I'm ready, man. I will tell you that. But my luck, I'll be streaming when I want to put a short in. It is what it is. That's the downside of streaming, I guess. Everyone wants to dump over. Damp it. I think everyone's just accepted that they want it to go lower. You know what I mean? All right. Let's see. Psycho Pearl said there's no volume. There is no volume, my friend. Bitcoin's still just chilling right below the 50 EMA here. So not really much has changed. Nothing has changed, as Savvy would say.
Warning,
I guess we have
shots five.
More warning shots fire. Nothing has changed, man.
Nothing has changed.
Doesn't this guy look like Crypto Face, by the way? Like if Crypto Face wore a cowboy hat, which I think he has. I think we're just missing the face mask. Doesn't this look like Crypto Face? Hold on, let me get a face mask real quick. Hold on. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, shiza. Where is it? Doesn't recognize my head? Come on. Doesn't recognize my head. It doesn't recognize my head with the face mask on. That's slightly disappointing. All right, here comes BTC. Come on, BTC. Give me some action here. Give me some action. Come on, boy. Give me something. Give me something to look at here on the 1 hour time frame, please. Please do it. Yeah, I mean, the 4 hours not really telling us much either. Somebody's... Hey, CF, is that you? More like tampon face. Look at these things, man. I can't believe we wore these things for like 2 years, man. It's ridiculous. We wore those things on our face for 2 years. All right. Brian said, new idea for newcomers and SpongeBob's. Put buy orders in your ideal levels and have someone change your password until filled so you don't sell. That would be the most ideal scenario, to be honest. That would literally be the most ideal scenario, but most people aren't going to do that, right? But actually, what would be the most profitable strategy probably? Like you said, just put buy orders in, forget your password, give your password to someone that you trust. I would say hide your password and don't check your wallet for 4 years. You'll probably be pretty happy, all right? But most people don't have the ball sack to do that, to be honest. But that would probably be the best strategy rather than thinking about it and sweating it for 4 years. Just literally be able to not touch it for 4 years. That would be the strategy. Or, dude, the best way would be to just to buy some, right? Buy Bitcoin and altcoins you want, right? And somehow have like, there's got to be a way to, forget your password for 4 years and then have something pop it up in 4 years, right? And then you can put it in and check. That would be the move, right? So you literally can't touch anything for 4 years. That would be the move. But unfortunately, even I don't want to do that. So it is what it is. I trust no one. True. Trust no one. Yeah, I'm not saying literally trust. I don't think I would trust. Yeah, man. No offense to anyone. I don't know if I would trust anyone with my seed phrase. No one. I wouldn't even trust. No, I don't know if I want to say that. She might be watching. All right. Scary thought. Yep. Let's see. Not me. Gongo. We gongo. People who still wear... Come on, all right. Guys, don't turn this into a face mask debate, okay? Come on, man. That's not what I meant this to be. All right? No face mask debate in the chat, all right? I can't say I disagree with some of you guys are saying, but no face mask debate in the chat, okay? This is not a political channel. All right. Let's continue on here. So, yeah, we're chilling. Guys, today we're just chilling, man. We're not doing anything crazy today. I mean, there ain't much going on. You got altcoins dumping a little bit. AVAX is getting absolutely pooped. Look at AVAX. I mean, it's down 6% today. But AVAX just keep getting sold off the hardest. Just getting absolutely pooped on. Pooped on. Look at AVAX. So they were coming back down to this wick, ultimately. Jordan, do we see a W? W formation? I don't see any W. I don't see any W's forming just yet, my friend. I don't see any W's forming. Let's see.
Crypto is like a business investment. years to earn back your investment, and years later you have a chance to make profit.
Let's see.
Business patience.
Yeah, but AVAX dropping a little bit here at 27.36. I can't believe AVAX at $27. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. I remember when it was pushing like 150. It's at 27 mullahs. It's continuing to move down. Ultimately, I mean, just like I expect everything else to, AVAX is already coming back down and coming back down for this little wickaroo. It's coming back down for this little wickaroo. It's already actually kind of recovered some of it. But ultimately, it's coming. It's coming for this wick here. Specifically that part of the wick. So I still think AVAX has got a little bit lower to go. You got your daily stocks topped out. Just got that bearish cross to the downside. Daily RSI has room to run to the downside. You're breaking support. I see a little bit lower here on AVAX, to be exact. A little bit lower here on AVAX. Back into the range, back into like the $23 to $26 range, somewhere in that range. Looking for a bounce there. Not quite yet though. Not quite yet on AVAX. You're still going to come back down and take this wick, in my opinion. But other than that, I mean, it's a wait and see. It's a wait and see. Ultimately, I do think you'll rise back up, right? Because you just made a vector candle here, back up here in this range. So ultimately, I do think you'll rise back up at some point to take this, but it could be a little bit, right? It doesn't have to happen right away. But I do think you'll visit this region first, which is a little bit lower. No, you cannot, Michael, you cannot talk about it, okay? Mike, I trust you in the chat. Do not do this, okay? Do not do this to me. Let's see. All right, Bitcoin, 29,572. Will we see the slight move down on the close? We got 15 minutes to the close, guys. 15 minutes until thy close. All right? 15 minutes until the close. We chill. What you guys do today? Let me know in the chat. What did you do today? Did you trade? Did you guys do anything fun outside of crypto? What did you guys do today, man? I got the Celtics game coming up here in 15 minutes. Well, not 15 minutes, actually. Sorry, 45 minutes. So I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, that's what I'm doing tonight. What you guys up to? Crab for life, does Lothback. Nice. Wes said, crypto is like a business investment. It will take years to earn back your investment, and years later, you have a chance to make profit. Business patient. Yeah, it's exactly. It's like starting a business, and most businesses are in the red for the first X years, okay? And then, I mean, most businesses fail, but the ones that do come out on top, right? They come out on top very, very well. So it's sort of like the same thing. I forget the actual sort of saying. I forget the actual saying. Make job of fried rice. Don't mention fried rice, man. Oh my God, here he comes. Here he comes. The neighbor's gonna be pissed. Here he comes. Ah, shit, guys. Oh shit, she's gonna start being pissed. Here he comes. All right, he's gonna blast me off the chair. Here he comes. Oh shit.
Will Gala ever reach $3? Do a ta on it PLS.
Fried rice? I heard that from my room. Wow. Bathwater. Make me fried rice. Clint, make me fried rice. Oh, man. Man, oh, man, oh, man. Let's see. Jim Bob said, worked all day, now chilling with you and Captain Morgan. Nice, man. Sergio said, Jordan, what do you have against VeChain? I got nothing against VeChain, man. I don't own it anymore, but I held VeChain in all of 2021. I literally just put it into... I just put it into ETH, man. But I don't have anything against VeChain. Not necessarily. What's going on, Dan? What's going on, dude? Let's see. Bought more Luna. Nice, man. Get some. Bro. Nobody smash. I still hold that. Hold on, guys. I gotta reset this. Man. There we go. So 29,577. Bitcoin's like inching down like a little crab. Like the little crab it is. Man. I'm waiting for some type of something to give me something, man. All right, there we go. We got something to talk about, man. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. So 15 minutes. Die 15-minute shots we just made. All right, a little bit of a vector candle, all right, which basically means a candle that has higher volume relatively to the previous candles, okay? Which you always typically come back up and take that candle or take the liquidity from that candle. So we just, holy moly! I don't know what that was. Someone just exploded over there. But yeah, you usually come back up the. Sorry! Shit! Mom, something's burning in the oven! Shit! Scheiße! Oh my god! Mom, get the fire extinguisher! Quick! Oh my god! Something just exploded over here. But yeah, so I don't know what that was. That was loud as hell though. That was the side of a vector candle. But yeah, usually you do come up and take these, right? You at least usually come up and take about, you hear that?
It happens closer to 4th of July.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That was freaking huge. But yeah, so all the way back up to like halfway. Usually halfway to the vector candle usually gets taken. So let's see what happens there. It doesn't have to happen right away. You can get more hits to the downside before you eventually come back up. But nevertheless, that is what I'm watching there on BT Sizzle, right? So I think at least, I mean, usually it does happen. Usually you'll come up to take these. So I do see it coming back up to this general range here at some point. It doesn't have to happen right away, but I do think it comes back up here, and that's when I'd be looking at interesting levels to put potential positions in. You know what I mean? Let's see. Quick Bob call 411. That was George when BTC dumps. Oh, hold on, guys. This thing's all jacked up today. There we go. I think that was George, man. I am George. We're all George. Listen up, everyone. Bitcoin gonna go up. Bitcoin ain't gonna go up. Okay? I've been telling everyone this forever. Bitcoin gonna go up. If Bitcoin doesn't go up, my whole spiel is done. So everyone in here better buy right now. If you don't buy Bitcoin right now, you don't want to know what's going to happen. Bitcoin's gonna go up, and I'm going to make it go up. I'm going to freaking make it go up. Buy Bitcoin now, it is gonna go up. I am George, you are all friggin' George, okay? You are all George. It is gonna go up now. You don't want to see what happens if you don't buy. It gonna go up. Oh, God. That's George. George is gonna go nuts at some point, man. George is gonna go. George is gonna go nuts at some point. He's gonna be like, "You guys better freaking buy." But yeah, 29,575. Let's continue to watch this. George is going. Just I said, George, calm down. We got a good base. We're building a good base. Oh man, that's too funny. Oh man, listen. I feel bad for George right now, man. He's getting absolutely pummeled. I don't know, man. Should I feel bad for George? It's because he won't admit it's a bear market, man. If he just admitted it was a bear market, he would feel so much better. When I finally admitted it was a bear market, it felt so much better, man. It was like a weight lifted off my shoulders. He just needs to admit it's a bear market. It's a friggin' bear market. We went to 25K. We had a lower low. It's a bear market, man. Come on, Georgie.
Jorge is much more sad than that.
Oh, jeez. I feel bad for George. I feel slightly bad for George, though. I feel slightly bad for George, even though he's going to do it to himself, to be honest. All right, let's go. We kind of talk about everything with BTC today. I mean, a lot of it's the same stuff we've been talking about for 10 days, guys. Really, a lot of it's the same stuff we've been talking about for months, which is the 200 SMA. Other than that, let's see. George is more sad than that? Yeah, he's sad. He's sad. All right. Will Gala ever reach $3? Will Gala ever reach $3? Do TA on it, please. Yeah, I mean, will Gala ever reach $3? Let me see what it's at now. Okay. Let me see what it's at now. Oh God. Psycho Pearl, I hope you're. I know Psycho Pearl's trolling, man, but I can see some guy coming in here, like TJ coming in here. Well, let me send Jordan a super chat. I just need to know if Gala's gonna hit $3. It's at 8 cents. Jordan, will Gala ever do a 300x? Let me see what Jordan says. Let me see what he says. Let me see. Oh, Jordan's shitting on me. Shit. Okay. Shit. Okay. Jordan said Gala will never hit $3. Oh, shit. What do I do? What do I do? I mean, some guy is like that, but it is what it is. I always wonder, like, there's always one guy, like, I know we kind of troll, like, we kind of do different troll guys, but there's always one guy who's probably that guy, like, that actual guy. There's got to be. Like, there's got to be one guy who's a pencil neck, one guy who's, like, a huge bottom dweller, right? There's got to be someone. No, Gala hit $3. No, Gala will not hit $3, man. If Gala hits $3, I'll get another sock. How about that? Gala won't hit $3, but, yeah, $3. But, actually, I mean, man, that's a big move from where you are now. I don't see Gala hitting $3, man. But, you know, it's actually 35x. My bad, man. My bad. My math is slightly off. 35x? Man, I wouldn't say that. That's not something I see happening anytime soon. I would say it's not ever unrealistic. I mean, depending on what the market cap is. Like, what's the market cap of Gala? Let me see. Where's Gala at? I know it was relatively high at some point. It's probably way down now. Let's see, man. What's the market cap of Gala, man? 35x. Let's see. Maybe if Bitcoin does a 10x or something like that. 559. Think about $15 billion. It's not terribly unrealistic. You would need Bitcoin to like do like a probably a 10x for that to happen. I guess it's not terribly unrealistic. I guess I slightly exaggerated there. Let's see. Said I'll eat another sock. Gala is a good buy right now, but it'll probably be half price in a month. I agree, David. Yeah. Long term, Gala's not a bad price at the moment. If you can think long term. Let's see. A couple months ago, we'd only need to do like a 4x. True. Clint said the odds are hitting that price anytime soon. In fact, not anytime soon. I mean, at some point, I mean, if Bitcoin rallies again, sure. I mean, that's not terribly unrealistic. Considering what altcoins typically do, at least what altcoins did in 2021, that's not terribly unrealistic. Dude, you are locked in to eat sock? Bro, we're not even close to 20K, okay? Don't come at me with the eating the sock trash talk, all right?
Rant alert.
We are not even close to 20K. When we get close to 20K, all right, maybe we can start talking shit about the sock. But we're not even close to 20K, right? So don't start talking shit yet. Don't start talking shit. I guess we got relatively close when we went to 25, but we're not even close to there yet. Not even close to there yet. George is still going on. Don't say, Wes. Careful what you say there, man. I like the guys that ask when Ethereum will pass Bitcoin. Man, hopefully someday. Sockler. Clint being Captain Clint being Captain Obvious. Jordan never got the SHIB tattoo. And nowhere close to sock. I never got the SHIB tattoo. I didn't have to get the SHIB tattoo. I got pretty lucky with that one, I do have to say. I got very lucky with the SHIB tattoo. Very, very lucky with the SHIB tattoo. We literally pushed it to the wire. We went and hit all-time highs. When did we hit all-time highs? We hit all-time highs in October 19th. All right? And we literally went not even that much higher. We went about 5% higher and dumb. That was like the best timing that could possibly happen. Right? Because it wasn't too late where I was sweating the SHIB tattoo. Right? We were kind of already going up, so I was like, all right, this is going to hit all-time highs again. We did. We did. Slightly. Just enough for me not have to get the SHIB tattoo. And then we dumped right back to the downside. Let's see. Have you picked your sock yet? Yeah. Oh, we got the close. We got the close. We got the close. Really a nothing burger day. Another nothing burger day. Let's count how many nothing burgers day we've had, guys. Let's see how many nothing burger days we've had for BTC. Burger! Mom, put the meatloaf back in the fridge. Jordan's talking about burgers now. Choking my saliva. Jordan, stop talking about burgers. How many nothing burgers days have we had? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, I guess I don't know if you can count these. But yeah, I mean, it's a nothing burger day. We closed at approximately about 29.5. And the Fear and Greed Index. I know everyone loves the Fear and Greed Index. Let's check the Fear and Greed. A 12 on the Fear and Greed Index. A 12 on the... Ben, get out of here, man. Why do you got to be spamming my channel with Georgia streamers 10,000x better? It's completely different, my man. Completely different. All right? George talks about fundamentals. We talk about TA. It's completely different, my friend. All right? Ben, it's all good, man. It's all good. It's all good, my friend. You keep spamming the same thing. It's not a competition, my friend. All right? Nothing's a competition. We're all in the same game together. All right, but... yeah, 12 on the Fear and Greed, so it's still extremely fearful. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. We got an NFT domain. Am I looking to buy an NFT domain? No, the answer is no. I don't know why this is popping up. But also, yeah, we got some pretty good discounts on True Classic Tees again. Yeah, they've had pretty good discounts. I mean, it is a recession, so you're gonna see, some of these T-shirt companies really struggle. And that's why they're going to have massive discounts. So keep that in mind. They're going to raise the price 2x on you and then say 34% off. Sound like a good deal? Let's raise the price 2x, say 34% off. Come on, man. Let's do it. All right. Let's see. It's only 200x better. Jeez. Let's see. BTC dumping? BTC pumping now? Let's get it, Sergio. Yeah, I do think it'll come back up into this range here. Probably right back up to the 50 EMA and the 15 minute. Okay, just keeps going below, back up, below, back up, below, back up, below, back up. You guys still talking about that in the chat? Fluff Sound, can you check fib retracements on previous runs? Setting the 786 on tracement on directly on the previous all-time high. The 786 retracement directly on the previous all-time high. That's interesting. I don't know what you mean by that, man. So you want to put the 786 retracement directly on the previous all-time high. Okay, so you want me to do a little bada bing, bada boom. So you want me to take what the wording that I take from this? Let's take the bottom. Okay. I look intelligent today. XMR ETH. Dan, why are we gonna do XMR ETH? So put the 786 directly on the previous all-time high. Okay. What do you mean by this? I'm confused. I'm confused, bro. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? I mean, 786 just after the all-time high? I'm confused, dude. XMR ETH? XMR ETH. Let's see. XMR ETH. Monero ETH. There we go, Dan. We gonna go up, baby. I told you we're gonna go up. Now you mother effers better keep buying. You mother effers better keep buying. I cannot lose my integrity. My channel has to believe in me. Keep buying. Keep buying XMR. XMR gonna go up. It's the new Bitcoin. Keep hopping on the XMR hype train. Guys, XMR is a great project. XMR is the best project in crypto. You need to get on this. Get on this now. XMR is gonna go up. Continue to DCA. Continue to hodl XMR. It's gonna go up. Dan said, when sell? What's the XMR USD chart look like? Hold on. XMR. Oh, I'm still trying. Let me get off this. XMR USD. Let's see. XMR USD. There we go. Let's see. XMR USD. When sell? This thing. I mean, you came back up to recover all the vector candles, man. Right? You came back up to recover all the vector candles. Now you came right back up to the 200 EMA on the daily. So, I mean, this one, daily stocks are now topped out. We usually know what that means, dude. We usually know what that means. Let me look down here. We got anything else down here to take? So we took this candle. I think we probably going to come back down. So we got some bearish divergence on the 4-hour. This is coming back down. It's coming back down to this range here. Right back down to the same range as the 4-hour 50 EMA. Coming right back down there. Going to take this vector candle there. Bada bing, bada boom. Continuation up. You also have this one here. Right? So you're going to come back down to these ranges at some point. Probably relatively soon because you have your 4-hour stock RSIs topped out. Your daily stock RSIs topped out. You got some bearish divergence forming here on the price. Right? You got lower highs on the RSI, higher highs in price action. It's probably going to come back down to retest these. Right? And then you can kind of go from there. But I see it probably coming back down to at least like the 185 region, 50 EMA, before then seeing if it wants to bounce from that region or if it wants to break down from that region. And that's, you don't really know until you get there. That's sort of the whole point of looking at the chart this way. So that's what I'd say. Next time I'm just going to ask George. He said FUD. FUD. It's FUD. Keep on the moon helmet. Let's see. Wayne said, glad I'm sad only at just one coin and not dozens. Wayne, are you a Bitcoin maxi, dude? I think Wayne's a Bitcoin maxi. It's okay. I guess it's no problem being a Bitcoin maxi. I mean, I feel like I'm pretty much a Bitcoin ETH maxi at this point, for the most part. Thank you, Dan. Thanks for hanging out, man. What's going on, Tony? Hey, man, we're taking some of his concepts, and it's the best way to look at charts. I'll continue to say. It's the best way to look at charts. Usually it's because people don't understand it. That's where they're like, what the hell is this? They don't understand it, so that's why they're like, oh my gosh, what is this? That's what I used to say. But once you dig in deep into it, the stuff does work. BTC is the only way. Nice. He said F crypto. F crypto. Keith said. All right. So we got the close, guys. What else? I mean, there's really much else going on here. We got any alts going up at all? Not really. Not really. Right, we'll see what the NASDAQ does tomorrow. NASDAQ trying to bounce, right? Trying to make some type of double bottom action here on the NASDAQ. We'll see if we can get some continued momentum. Maybe that can bring Bitcoin up, but we'll see if we can get some momentum there in the NASDAQ. Trying to form a double bottom there. We'll see if it holds, right? You got to see if it holds. Last time I tried to do that, you had a nice little rally to the upside. So we'll see if what that does tomorrow. Other than that, there really ain't much going on. So, let's see. Gonna go up, man. See, look at Bitcoin, man. Just to give you an example. What did we say? We saw the Bitcoin dip below this trend line. What's going on here, man? What's going on? We said this. We was going to come back to this range. What is Bitcoin doing right now? Boop, 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 boop. Comes right back up to this range. Right back up to this range. And recovers the candle, man. Right back up to that range and covers the candle. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Now let's see what happens. You're coming up to the 200 EMA, so let's see what Bitcoin does here. All right, let's see if it can get all the way back up to the 50 EMA. Or it gets rejected at the 200. Which right now looks like it's getting a little rejection off the 200 EMA. Seeing a little bit, I mean, so I guess we're seeing a little bit more action here. The last three candles have been okay. Better than the previous ones, that's for sure. So rejection off the 200 EMA there. NASDAQ futures minus 49. Nice. Bitcoin is the only coin that makes sense to me. Bitcoin is money. I really, really like money. That's true. Dan said I love gold. How do you love the smell of gold, man? You sound like this guy. I love the smell of gold. Can I smell your watch? I love Peter's Schiff. I freaking love gold. I love the taste of it. Can I taste it? Can I taste her necklace? It smells so good. So good. Sound like that guy, man. How do you like that? What time is Celtics losing? 8:30 Waterfly. We're going to get off soon here. I'm just kind of chilling right now. Just watching some price action. 70% voted dumb. Nice. Michael said, Jordan, I watch a guy named Michael Whitman. He's really good. Just boring type of TA guy, but he knows his stuff. I'll check him out, Mike. I'm in a learning mode at the moment, man. Just learning different things. So I can definitely check out. I don't know if you're trolling me, Mike. I never know with you, man. I don't know if you're ever trolling me, but I can check it out. Polishing my gold every night. You gold. Does anyone actually hold gold in here? I feel like crypto versus gold is such like a polarizing topic. Do you want Bitcoin to just dump? 70% said yes. 70. That's crazy. If you did this poll like 4 months ago or even 3 months ago, it would probably been the exact opposite, man. No, we want it to pump. Now 70% of the people in the chat want Bitcoin to dump. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy, man. I never thought I'd see the day. I never thought I'd see the day. You love Ethereum Classic. You want Ethereum Classic to dump?
Huh?
You want Ethereum Classic to dump?
No.
No?
That's not.
Okay. I want the dump. Wayne said, I think everyone needs to take an hour of their day and research what is money.
I thought.
Excuse me?
I thought you were asking me if it was done.
Maya wants everything to dump too, so we're good. But yeah, so Bitcoin's moving back up here. Let's see if this is just a back test. I think this is going to end up just being a back test of the previous support. It's going to flip into resistance. And then it's going to slowly start to move back down to the downside, right? Because now what are you doing? Now you're painting another vector candle, which means this one's going to have to get recovered back to the downside. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Mr. T loves gold. I hope BTC goes back up to 31K. Daniel said, you're the man, Jordan. Love these prices for KNC. Thanks, man. Thanks for hanging out. 3K long on ship. See you guys on Michael's chat tonight. I know what money is. It's blank, but can't say. George said, if Asia takes it up, we will take it down. True. True. I sell air. I'm just reading the chat right now, man. I'm just reading the damn chat. Let's see. All right, Bitcoin's getting to move back up. Looks like we're breaking the 200 EMA. Coming back up to test the 50 EMA. Let's see what we do here, man. Let's have a little fun, man. Should we have Bob commentate? Let's do it. Oh my God! Bitcoin is breaking the 200 EMA. Coming back up to the 50. Will it break the 50? Mom, throw the meatloaf in. Throw it in now. I gotta do some quick commentary. All right, 50 EMA. Bitcoin looks like it just got rejected off the 50 EMA. Shit, my ass. Shit. Oh God. Oh God, Jordan's gonna fire me. All right, 200 EMA. Sorry, the 50 EMA. Sorry. We tested it. Looks like we got a slight rejection off of it. Let's see where we open. So we just got a new candle. Will Bitcoin break back above the 50 EMA or will it come back down? It should come back down because we have a vector candle here. A vector candle. And it should come back down, take this candle, get rejected, and continue to the downside. Let's see. Let's see what happens here in the new open. Oh, man. That's too much work. That's way too much work, man. Holy crap. All right. But say it like a horse race. When are you fixing the candles? Fixing the candles. There's nothing wrong with the candles, man. Listen, I think one of the worst things you can do is look at a chart with red and green candles. It totally messes with your psychology. It totally messes you. The only way you should be looking at red and green candles is if they are important candles in the charts, right? I don't think anyone should have red and green candles on the charts, right? Except the important ones. If you need to see the colors to see what direction Bitcoin's going on the chart, you probably should get your eyes checked, man. You probably get your eyes checked.
Rant alert.
Bob just bought the retest. Let's see what's up. Let's see. I still think it's going to come lower here, man. I still think it's going to come lower first before it bounces back up. Well, let's see. Listen, I told you guys, I'm still learning this stuff too. So, I mean, it is what it is. I still think it's going to come back down to take at least half of this candle before it moves back up. But let's find out. Especially when you're still below the 50 EMA. Let's see. I'm colorblind. True. We should only show green candles. Fact. Let's see. Put the Wendy rig on. Nice. Who'd that sound like? I don't know. Sounds like Quentin Tarantino. I'll have to look him up after the stream. I probably know who he is, but off the top of my head, I can't think of what he sounds like. But if I heard the voice, I'd probably be like, oh my God, I know who that is. Turn all the candles green. You should turn all the candles green. That actually probably would be a good thing. Because then we have unlimited vector candles. We have to recover them all to the downside, all the way back down to $1. Um, look at the DXY tanking. Yeah, we didn't even look at the DXY today. Let's go check out the DXY. It's just to me, it's just so hard to predict the DXY, man. I just don't think you can predict what direction the DXY was because the thing with the DXY is we broke this range, right? Everyone's like, oh my God, including myself, right? I mean, oh my God, we broke the previous 2016 high. We broke the 2020 high. We're going to the moon. And what does the DXY do? It does a slight deviation to the upside and then comes right back down into the zone, right? So it's really, really hard to predict what the DXY is going to do, in my opinion. So it's one of those things we can look at, but like to do an analysis on it, I don't know, man. I don't know. The only thing that kind of worked out, which was kind of nice, was this bearish divergence, where you had higher highs and you had lower highs coming in. That's really the only thing that played out pretty well. But other than that, I don't know, man. Savvy thinks so. Jordan didn't even know who Nostradamus was. Listen, I don't know. I don't watch things, man. Like, I know a lot of people watch a lot of TV. A lot of people watch, are on social media 24/7. A lot of people are on, watching movies 24/7. I don't watch stuff, I don't really watch stuff, to be honest. Right? I don't really watch stuff. And that's why I don't really know who a lot of people are. That people typically think that like everyone should know this person, right? Because I don't really watch stuff. Huh? Oh, yeah? Hey, Jordan, go Miami Heat. Screw you, Rafi. Celtics are going to win again today. What happened in Game 4, man?
Rant alert.
You watch things all day? True. Bro, you don't need to watch TV to know who Nostradamus was. I probably learned it in school. I just forgot, man.
Hey Jordan,
It is what it is.
Miami Heat.
That's kind of that's like one of those like Trivial Pursuit questions that's pointless in life. I don't even know who that is. Who's Nostradamus? That's like something you pick out of Trivial Pursuit and they ask you. We don't like your candle colors? All right, guys, I'll change the damn Let me post a poll, man. Listen, there's a reason why the candle colors are this way, right? It's to show you what the important levels on the chart that the market makers want to push the prices back to. I can change the colors, okay? The regular candles back to green and red, but I'm gonna have the vector candles as a different color. So I can change the regular candles back to green and red. We'll do a vote, okay? We'll do a vote. Change candles back to green and red, or keep gray. Okay, there's a reason why they're that color, right? It's helpful to see what's going on, right? But I will change it back for you if it's easier to see. I will change it, okay? Because I want you guys to be able to see it better. So, green or red, or gray. There we go. I will change it for you guys if you want to see. All right, I will see. All right, Bitcoin coming back up here, 29,758. We're getting a moonshot here. Just kidding. We're getting a moonshot, man.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Here we go, moonshot. Everyone FOMO in. Everyone FOMO in. In reality, we're coming back up to take this candle here. Let's see if we continue up though. Will we get some continued move to the upside? Let's find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Let's see, man. I'm colorblind. Does it matter? Change is awful. Do the borders green and red and fill with the volume vector candles. And fill with the volume vector candles. True. I can. I want you guys to be able to see. So like, if you can't see it, I understand why it sucks. You know what I'm saying? Don't change. All right. So yeah, see what Bitcoin did? We had this vector candle here. We came right back up to take that candle. Now we're getting a little resistance right there. The question is, are they going to want to push it higher? I would watch, and this is the 15-minute chart. If we go to the hourly, nothing really popping up on the hourly just yet. Check the 4-hour chart. Nothing really on the 4-hour chart either yet. We still got to wait. We still got a lot of time in the 4-hour candle. But let's see if they continue it up here. See if they continue it up. We'll watch that now. Let's see. Let's go watch Jordan's stream. Let's go watch it today. See if he's talking shit. Let's see. I can't even see the candles he's doing. I can't even see. TJ, can you see this guy's candles? My God, let me try to get closer. God, I can't even see this guy's candles, TJ. Why are we even watching this guy? BitBoy, I can see. I can see him. Are you blind? I can see them. TJ, did I ask for your opinion? No, this is my channel, okay? I am the boss here. You don't get an opinion, okay? Get back in your cage right now, TJ. Get back in your freaking cage. I am the star of the show. No one cares about you, okay? No one watches the show for you. When I'm not on the show, no one watches. No one watches. Get back in your cage, TJ. Christ. Let me try to see if I can see this guy's candles again. I can't. Time to bench press. Cool. Come on, George. Spot me. It gonna go up. It gonna go up, BitBoy. It gonna go up. Oh. All right. Oh, man. Okay. I had to do it. Man. I had to do it. Oh, man. All right. So Bitcoin's chilling. All right, guys. I gotta end it at that, man. It's a good way to end it at that. Because they get the Celtics coming on here in 5 minutes. I'm gonna end it. It's a boring day, man. It's a boring freaking day. Savar said, please do not change the candles. They are helpful. I understand they're helpful. Okay, I understand they're helpful, but I get why people would want a different change. It sort of messes with your psychology. So I get it. So I'm gonna change a little bit tomorrow. I'm gonna go back to the green and red candles, but I'm gonna make the vector candles stand out in a different way. Maybe borders or something like Bathwater said. I'll catch you guys later. All right. Have a good night. Go Celtics. Seriously, guys, have a good night. Don't stare at the charts. I mean, there's nothing really going on, to be honest. We're just kind of stuck in a range, and we gotta wait for Bitcoin to break the range. If you're a trader, keep it up, man. Keep it up. This is actually a really, really good trading range if you are a trader. So if you're a hodler, patience, right? Patience is key, as always. And continue to set your eye on the prize, which is, for me, the next dump back to the downside where I'll accumulate more. All right? Catch you guys later. Have a good night, my friends. Peace.